Í院後街, Rua do Pato. Pato Street. Walking down Macau, let's walk down Rua do Pato. Oh, 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 Pato, it's been a while. Pato, it's been a while. Rua do Pato, it's been a while. Oh, 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 Í院後街, it's been a while. Good to see you, Pato. Back streets of Macau, Pato Street of Macau. Oh, oh, Rua do Pato, it's been a while. Pato, it's been a while. Rua do Pato, it's been a while. Oh, 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 Í院後街, it's been a while. Good to see you, Pato.
Okay, we're going to capture this beautiful building. So this one is Seoul Street going up that way. This one is Mont Street going up to the Mont Fortress on the other side of Sao Paulo ruins. And then our street's going to be Pato, right over there by the Portuguese consulate. There's a travessa and a rua, a street and a lane. So we're going to go check those out. Portuguese consulate right there, we'll walk by it. And we'll start right here and we'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, this is such a beautiful spot. So just being able to capture that. And then these cars come down. They kind of come down fast and they can actually loop around like a hairpin turn, which is also kind of interesting too. Okay, so we are gonna go down slowly. And then, so this is the calzada, and then that's the Portuguese consulate to the left, to the right. So let's go down and capture this a little bit. And this is our target street right here, Rua do Pato. Let's just take a look one more time before we check out those. So I saw these patios. Okay, very cool. So let's walk all the way down that way, and then we're going to continue down our street. Okay. Here's our target street, Rua do Pato. And I think there's somewhere there's a Travessa do Pato as well, so we're gonna see. Let me just before we go up, we'll just look one last time and try to capture that angle. Okay, so that's that angle of that apartment. And then that goes down as well. So we're basically up on a hill and it's kind of cool. Let's get out of the road because there's a car coming. So we're gonna walk down the Hua. There's also a travessa as well. So I'm not sure, I might do both. Kind of cool windows. This one goes up, and there's a barbershop right in the corner. So shout out to them if they see this video. I just did their street as well recently. So this would be at the base of it. Let's see, some beautiful windows behind the consulate, Portuguese consulate. Okay. And we have here's the travessa right here. I'm not 100% sure if I've done the travessa. I think I have. Yeah, I think I have. But there's a little travessa all the way down, so I don't think I'm gonna capture that. But I will capture this cool little corner. Portuguese consulate. Okay. Yeah, and actually if you go up where the up to this Boa Vista up here, it's called Boa Vista, it's like the good view. You can actually like look up from there, from that whole spot, and look down, which is kind of interesting as well. Okay. So it's all patio. Let's look up a little bit. And we'll just keep on walking down. And this Pato actually leads into another street and it goes into the St. Lazarus district. And it also goes into some other, it also leads into these little lanes. So these lanes go down to Rua do Campo. This is a little Santos lane, Travessa. It's kind of a cool looking shop. And I believe our Pato is going to end right in this spot. And it turns into a different street just down that way a little bit. Pato. And this particular street, there's some of these streets that look all the way into the other one. There's São Januário, so this whole street goes like down and back up another hill. So, and then this one kind of goes up some hills. That just kind of gives you a little bit of context to where we're at. And then this is the Lazarus district. So historically they would have built more stuff in this area called Lazarus. So this is the new street of St. Lazarus. That goes down. Okay. And I think I'm gonna just, there's some other interesting streets. So this was all of our target street right here. That's the end of it. And then you can also kind of go uphill into some other areas as well. And I'm just gonna walk into it a little bit. And then shortly we're gonna end the video. So pretty cool. Especially this little area right here. So yeah, all of that's St. Lazarus. So this is St. Roque Street, all these Catholic names. St. Miguel Street. And then this Boa Vista goes up. And this would have been following, if we would have went up in this one spot, we'd go up a hill like that. But instead we went down. So we're gonna end our street shortly. We'll just go right back to it again. Just give you all the context of it. There's some alleys nearby. So it's in a tiny alley. This. And then Pato ends right here. Yeah, and a little right there's a. Let me just walk in that a little bit. Kind of designer, kinds of cool stuff. And that's Pato. So end our video right there. Sights to Macau.